Hello, mic check.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. Apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
Let's call this Assault Stacy Trainer. Alright, now we will add 2 checkboxes. Or actually we will add a button first. Which says attach, and double click on the form and double click on the button, so we get the load function and the button click function. Okay, here now we will have to add the memory class or library. I don't know what the fuck it is, but I love it. So in new get packages, search for memory.dll. Yes. Install. Okay. Yeah, okay. So now we can use it here using memory. And now mem equals new mem, and now do int PID process identifier or some shit like that equals to meme get proc id from name, and now it's a string name. Let's just join this one. So if this process ID is larger than 0, means it has found the game or the process, and we can open it. So open process. So we can do a test. Message box.show and found process, and here we will add a PID to string, and yeah, it should work now. So let's try it. Okay, so you need to have the person open or else it won't work. Attach. Oh, never mind. Fuck, sorry. We need to run the program as admin, so we will have to add a new item and application manifest file. Windows only. Fuck Mac. Mac OS sucks. Administrator. And press down. Now when you press start, it should, yeah, elevate the permissions. Visual Studio. Now let's start it. Attach. Yeah, easy. So now we know that we have found the application or process and we have opened it, so we can write and read memory from it. Easy. Now let's add addresses, so we can do it up here. Public static string and rml equals to, and paste it. Now we remove this one and this one, and we add a 0 and a x, and now we just close it. Do the same. Health equals to this bitch. And close it. Okay. So now we can checkboxes here. Checkbox here and text. Ammo. Copy paste. Shit. Help. 1 second, I will make the form a bit cooler. That's better. Oh, that's awful. Move this one and back color transparent, easy. Copy paste and change text to health. Now double click on the form, it will bring us to the load function. Here we go, we will create a new thread, which, alright, or ammo equals to new thread, and the function, it should be called f, yeah, ramo start. Why the fuck is this? Wait, I already have threading. Man. Okay, so we will have to create a new void f and y true, which is always true. We will check if the checkbox 1, that's checked. If it's checked, we will perform this beautiful thing. So meme.write memory and health from before, and int, and we should write it to delete because hacking is cool. Sleep. Let's do it every 5 milliseconds. Instead of threaded sleep 10 milliseconds here. Okay, my bad. Happens to the best of us. I don't know. Did I forget to? Yeah, I forgot to attach the process. Nope. Does not go down. Easy enough. Oh. Alright, now let's do it for the health too. So we will have to add another thread. Health equals new thread HP health. Let's start private void health HP, I mean, while true 7 if checkbox 2 not checked, then we will write to it memory.write memory, and now health int lit. Sleep, and let's do 10 milliseconds as before. Let's just need to add. Okay, let's try it. Wait. See? Still 1347.